The Great Depression was a tough time. The economy collapsed, and many people had to rely on the land to survive. It tested their resilience and resourcefulness. People grew their own food and, of course, herbs. These herbs were used to enhance meals or address health issues. Today, we explore 15 forgotten herbs our grandparents grew to endure those tough times. Just a quick note. While these plants were historically used for both food and medicine, always consult a healthcare professional before using them medicinally. Let's start with lovage, a herb that's often overlooked today but was a staple in Depression-era gardens. Known as the poor man's celery, lovage has a bold, savory flavor that can replace celery in soups, stews, and salads. It's incredibly hardy, thriving in poor soil and requiring little maintenance. Back then, people valued it not just for its taste, but for its ability to grow almost anywhere. Plus, it's packed with vitamins A and C, making it a nutritious addition to any meal. Families would often dry the leaves and stems to use throughout the winter, ensuring they had flavor even when fresh produce was scarce. Moving on to sorrel, a tangy, lemony herb that was a favorite in kitchens across America during the 1930s. Its bright, acidic flavor made it a great substitute for lemons, which were often too expensive or hard to come by. Sorrel grows like a weed, spreading quickly and providing a steady supply of greens. It was commonly used in soups, sauces, and even as a garnish for meats. Fun fact, sorrel is rich in vitamin C, which helped prevent scurvy during tough times. Many families would harvest it wild, but those with gardens made sure to plant a patch for easy access. Next up comes winter savory, a robust plant with a peppery, thyme-like flavor. It became a popular choice during the 1930s because it could withstand cold weather and poor soil conditions. People used it to season beans, meats, and stews, adding a punch of flavor to otherwise bland meals. It was also believed to aid digestion, making it a practical choice for hearty, frugal meals. Some even used it as a natural preservative, rubbing it on meats to extend their shelf life. Its ability to thrive in harsh conditions made it a symbol of resilience, much like the people who grew it. Lemon balm was more than just a culinary herb. It was often used as a natural remedy for stress and anxiety, something many people struggled with during those difficult years. Its bright, citrusy flavor made it a refreshing addition to teas, desserts, and even salads. Easy to grow and quick to spread, lemon balm became a reliable source of both flavor and comfort. Families would often dry the leaves to make soothing teas during the long, cold winters. Some even turned to it as a natural sleep aid, steeping it in hot water before bed to help calm restless minds. With its cheerful aroma and gentle flavor, lemon balm offered a small but meaningful luxury in hard times. Continuing to Horehound. While it may not be a household name today, it was a lifesaver during the Great Depression. This bitter herb was used to make Horehound candy, a popular remedy for coughs and sore throats. It's incredibly hardy, thriving in dry, rocky soil, and was often grown in backyard gardens. While its flavor is an acquired taste, its historical use as a remedy made it invaluable to many families. Recipes for Horehound candy were often passed down through generations, ensuring they had a natural remedy on hand when illness struck. Some even believed it could help ward off colds, making it a staple in winter pantries. Bee balm, also known as wild bergamot, was a dual-purpose herb during those lean years. Its vibrant flowers attracted pollinators, helping other plants thrive, while its leaves were used to make a soothing tea. Bee balm has a minty, citrusy flavor and was often used as a substitute for black tea, which was expensive and hard to come by. It's also rich in antioxidants, making it a healthy choice for those struggling to get by. Some families even used it as a natural dye for fabrics, creating beautiful hues from its vibrant petals. Its versatility made it a cherished plant in gardens across the country. Moving on to Costmary, also known as Bible leaf. This was a versatile herb that served both culinary and medicinal purposes. Its long, fragrant leaves were used to flavor teas, beers, and even baked goods. During the Depression, People also used Costmary as a natural insect repellent, placing its leaves in closets and drawers to keep pests away. It's a hardy plant that requires little care, making it a reliable addition to any garden. Some families even used it as a bookmark in their Bibles, hence its nickname. Its sweet balsamic scent made it a comforting presence in homes and gardens alike. Salad Burnet is a mild cucumber-flavored herb that was a popular addition to salads and soups during the 1930s. Its delicate leaves were a refreshing contrast to the heavy, starchy meals that were common at the time. Salad Burnet is easy to grow and thrives in poor soil, making it a practical choice for struggling families. Many would plant it near their kitchen doors for easy access when cooking. Its ability to thrive in tough conditions made it a symbol of hope and perseverance, much like the people who grew it. And now a delicate herb called Chervil. This parsley-like herb with a subtle anise flavor was a popular choice during the 1930s for adding a touch of elegance to simple meals. Chervil is easy to grow and thrives in cool, shady conditions, making it a practical choice for gardens with limited space or sunlight. Many families would use it to garnish dishes, making even the simplest meals feel special. Its fine, lacy leaves were often added to soups and salads, providing a mild, refreshing flavor. Some even believed it had mild detoxifying properties, making it a popular addition to spring tonics. Its ability to grow in the shade made it a favorite for planting under taller crops, maximizing garden space. Woodruff is a sweet, hay-scented herb that was often used to flavor wines, teas, and desserts during the Depression. Its delicate leaves were also used as a natural air freshener, placed in closets and drawers to keep them smelling fresh. Woodruff is easy to grow and thrives in shady, moist conditions, making it a practical choice for gardens with limited sunlight. Some families even used it to make a refreshing summer punch, combining it with fruit juices for a festive drink. Its tiny white flowers and whorled leaves made it a charming ground cover in shady garden spots. Woodruff was also used to flavor May wine, a traditional springtime beverage, and its sweet aroma made it a favorite for potpourri and sachets. Calendula, also known as poor man's saffron, is a bright, cheerful herb with a mild, slightly peppery flavor. In the 1930s, its petals were often used to add color and flavor to soups, stews, and salads. Calendula was also valued for its historical use in soothing skin irritations and promoting healing. It's an easy-to-grow plant that thrives in poor soil, making it a valuable addition to any garden. Some families even used it to make a natural lip balm, combining the petals with beeswax and natural oils. Its sunny blooms were a reminder of brighter days ahead. Additionally, calendula was used to dye fabrics, creating warm yellow and orange hues that added a touch of cheer to homemade clothing. Next up is Feverfew, a bitter herb with a strong, pungent scent similar to menthol or eucalyptus. During the Depression, it was often used to flavor teas and soups. Feverfew was also valued for its historical use in reducing fevers and soothing headaches. It's a hardy plant that thrives in poor soil, making it a practical choice for gardeners. Some people even turn to it as a natural headache remedy, steeping the leaves in hot water and inhaling the steam. Its daisy-like flowers added a touch of charm to gardens, though its bitter flavor meant it rarely made it onto dinner plates. Now, don't get confused by the name, but the next on the list is Marshmallow. This is a sweet mucilaginous herb that was often used to soothe sore throats and digestive issues during the 1930s. Its roots were also used to make a sweet, sticky treat that was a rare indulgence during tough times. Marshmallow is easy to grow and thrives in moist, marshy conditions, making it a practical choice for gardens with poor drainage. Some families even used it to make a natural cough syrup, combining the roots with honey for a soothing remedy. Its pale pink flowers were a delicate addition to the garden, offering beauty as well as utility. Valerian is a fragrant herb with a strong, earthy flavor. During the Great Depression, its roots were often used to make a calming tea, which many believed helped with anxiety and insomnia. Valerian was also valued for its historical use in soothing digestive issues and promoting relaxation. Some families would steep the roots in hot water before bed, turning to it as a natural sleep aid. Its clusters of pink or white flowers added a touch of beauty to the garden, though its strong aroma wasn't for everyone. Interestingly, valerian wasn't just for people. It was also used to calm restless livestock. Farmers would sometimes add it to animal feed to help reduce stress during those challenging times. Finally, we have skullcap, a bitter herb with a mild, slightly sweet flavor. During the Depression, its leaves were often used to make a calming tea, which many believed helped with anxiety and stress. Skullcap was also known for its historical use in soothing headaches and promoting relaxation. Some families would combine it with other calming herbs like chamomile and lemon balm to create a natural remedy for nervous tension. Its tiny blue or purple flowers added a subtle but lovely touch to the garden. Additionally, skullcap was believed to help with muscle spasms, and some would use it to ease the aches and pains of hard labor, making it a valuable herb for both mind and body.